So I am now on my part 2 of my video, and it is October the 11th. This is the study guide. I am now going to go through and do from the top of the study guide 1 through 7, and then I will do 10 through 17. Personally, I just like notebook paper, so here we go. Okay, so number 1, it is 3 3/4 times 5/6, 15/4 times 5/6. I'm hoping everyone right here cross simplifies. 6 and 15 divisible by 3. 3 goes into that twice. 3 goes into that 5. I get 25 over 8. 8 into 25 is 3 at 24 with 1/8 left over. Number 2, I've got 3/7 times 21. We've learned last week that 3/7 stays 3/7, but 21 goes over a 1 to make a fractional amount. Hopefully you're seeing the simplifying right here. 7 into 7 once. 7 into 21, 3. Leaves me with 9 over 1, which is 9. Nice and pretty. Clean and pretty. Number 3, I got 3/8 times 11/15. It's already set up nice and pretty, so I'm in that box. I'm trying to see if something simplifies. Yes, that 3 and that 15, guys. 3 and 15. 3 goes into 3 once. 3 goes into 15, 5. Now, 1 times 11 is 11. 8 times 5 is 40. And that one's done. You good? Guys, you really can't be like just copying what I'm doing. Like, I need you to use me as an answer key. Like, checking it. Number 4, 4/5 of 3,025. Okay, so here we go. You are doing 4/5 times 3,025 over 1. Okay, I know this isn't beautifully perfect, but it does simplify. Here we go. 5 goes into 5 once. 5 into this number. 5 goes into 30 6 times. It goes into 2, basically 0, but 25 is 5. Okay. So, now we got to do 1 times 1 is 1. 6025 or 605 times 4. Whew. Let me check it. I'm just making sure. So in the end, it is 2,420. Yes. You sure? Okay. That one's, I mean, it's kind of rough. I don't know that there'll be one that big tomorrow. I think the biggest thing on that is making sure that you know of means multiply. Okay. Number 5, 3 and 5/8 times 7 1/2. 29/8 times 15 halves. Magic box is simplifying. I'll be honest, I'm having to kind of think about it. And it looks like nothing simplifies. Interesting. Okay, so here we go. 8 times 2 is 16. I always do the easy ones first. I can't help it. 15 times 29. Guys, all I can do is work it out. So I get 435 divided by 16. 8 times 2. Okay. I'm assuming times 2, but I don't want to assume. Yeah, 3 would be too big. So, 2, 32. I got 11 left, so I'm good to go. Bring down the 5. Someone says 7, so I'm going to use your answer. 7 times 6 is 42. Oh, nice. Thank you. Looks like it's 27 and 3/16. So what you got? Good. Good, good. Listen, y'all don't normally see me like the first time I've worked a problem, but since it's 4th period and I'm videoing it, like I haven't worked that problem today. So I don't know it. Like I have to do this. All it is 4th period. You don't usually see me do all this scratch work because I've already done it in all the other classes. Okay, but I have to do it. Like, I mean, that's just the way the world is. Let me try number 6 here. 4 3/5. And I don't like just giving you answers like an answer sheet because some of you want to go back and see your mistakes. And that's kind of why I like the video feature, is maybe by me explaining it, I don't know, maybe it helps a little bit. Okay, so just checking my math. I got 1, I got 5, I got 2, okay, simplifying it out. Half. Interesting. Anybody? Have you gotten that already, maybe? Yeah, good. 7, I got 3/11 of 36. So 3/11 times 36 over 1. I'll be honest, I thought it was going to simplify, but it doesn't. You got that. But this shouldn't be too bad because you're 11's tables. 11 into 108. How many times? 9, because it's 99. 10 would be 110, right? So if I do 99, there'd be 9 left over out of 11. I have to sit there and I'm just triple checking. I know y'all can't tell, but yes. Question? You good? Okay. Just making sure. Listen, I'm just going to keep going because I don't want, if the video is working and it's recording, I'm going to keep going. Okay, so I'm skipping down to 10. I'm skipping down to this division section. Oh, right there. Sorry. 2 divided by 3 2/3. Here I go. Number 10. 2 divided by 3 2/3. Tomorrow's problems are mixed up. Like the first one's multiply, the second 2 are division, then it goes back to multiply. You really got to watch the symbols tomorrow. Okay, 2 once divided by 11 thirds. Keep, change, flip. And we're done with that. Any questions for the ones of you who are in here? No? Which one? That one? You good? Okay. I don't mind if y'all are in here. You know, ask me questions. I gotta keep change flips. That was what I was doing. 10 once times 4 fifths. Love the cross simplifying. Here we go. We can do 5 into 5 once, 5 into that twice. Leaves me with 8 over 1, which is 8. Number 12, 4 3/4 divided by 7/8. 19/4 divided by 7/8. Keep change flip. As you can tell, the bell is about to ring, so they have started packing up on their own. That is fine. I will just keep working. I don't blame you. I would take all teacher answers I could get if I was you. You may go. Study the vocab. Study the vocab. I'm going to keep going with the video for the last few questions. I love teaching an empty classroom. It's so weird.
It's not empty yet.
Not yet. We're getting there. I have to admit, you may have to finish watching it at home because you can't really be late to your next class.
I need a test line. Right now, it's right.
Ooh, this one simplifies. I like it. That helps a lot. You would get 31 over 14, which would be 28. Okay. I've got to keep going because I'm going to keep videoing. If you think...
I don't like this new Philip.
What? He knows the answers?
I'm already not too used to the old one.
Oh. Change is not always bad, guys. Sometimes it's good. Oh, no.
Thank gosh I remembered, because I remembered you were in my band class. Couldn't remember the name of my head.
I'm losing my mind. Let me start over right here. I've messed up. They're cracking me up. 15 twos divided by 4 5/4, which is going to equal. Keep 15 twos, change to multiply, and flip over to 4 fifths. Okay, I can simplify here. Actually, I can simplify twice. Love it. Okay, 5 goes into 5 once. Goodbye. 5 goes into that 3. 2 goes into it once. 2 goes into it twice. 3 times 2 is 6 over 1, which equals 6. Ooh. If you use the small simplifying, it will really help. Goodbye. You're fine. 15. 3 3/8. Divided by. It's okay, I wondered. Equals 27/8 divided by 9/4. Keep change flip. 27/8 times 4/9. Right here is that magic box of simplifying. 9 goes into 9 once. 9 goes into that 3. 4 goes into 4 once. 4 goes into 8 twice. Going straight across. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. Top number is bigger, so I got to simplify it out, which is 1 and 1/2. I have 2 problems left. Are you stopping me? It won't, I'm afraid it'll freeze up. So I have 2 left. 16 and 17. And then I will be there. Well, I'm kind of cheating and doing it right now. Okay, 16. Here we go. I got 21/10 divided by 6/5. Keep change flip. Keep 21/10 times 5/6. Ooh, good simplifying again. Find a top and a bottom. 5 goes into 5 once. 5 goes into 10 twice. 3 goes into 6 twice. 3 goes into 21 7. A lot friendlier number. 7 times 1 is 7. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 and 3/4. And I got one left, number 17, 4.5, divided by 2 and 7/10. Okay, 9/2 divided by 27/10. Keep change flip. 9/2 times 10/27. Okay, cross simplifying. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 9 into 27 is 3. That gives me 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3. Leaving me with a mixed number of 1 and 2/3. If you're not sure how I'm getting these mixed numbers, I am taking 5 and dividing it by 3. Here is my mixed number, 1 and 2/3. It's kind of like a backwards left-handed person's check mark. 1 gives me that 1. 2 gives me the top. 3 is the same on the denominators. Okay, the rest of the study guide we did on the very first video. So if you're wondering how I got 8, 9, and 18 and all those, it's on the video, the very first video I posted today. Good luck. See you tomorrow. Study the vocab. Study the vocab.